Levelling cakes. To level the top of a cake, place your cake on a non-stick board and placing your hand lightly on the surface, cut straight across with a long-bladed serrated knife. Keep the knife parallel to the work surface. Saw through the cake and take the dome part of the cake off. This is good when you want to layer your cakes, as they will need to be flat to stack properly and to create a perfect surface for the top tier. Your cake should be cool before levelling or carving. You may want to bake your cake the day before, and when cool, wrap in cling film and put your wrapped cake in the fridge. This will make your cake much firmer and easier to handle.